and exhale. I mean, if there was ever a time to be trying to find a little bit of inner stillness, then this would be it, wouldn't it? So for this week's fitness app, I thought I would dabble in a bit of yoga. Now, there's loads of different ways you can do yoga at home. You've got your YouTube yoga practices, Instagram Live, Zoom classes, but I thought I would try Down Dog, which is a subscription-based app that really allows you to tailor-make your practices to precisely your needs. So when you head into the app, you have a drop-down list to help you configure your yoga practice. So you can decide on the type of yoga you want to do, the length, the level you want. And then the app takes this information and compiles a practice together from its database. So there are actually over 60,000 configurations that you can do. I'm not sure if I'll be getting through them all. Let's see how long lockdown lasts. Now, I'm a yoga beginner. So where I found this app really useful was that it was very good at just getting you familiar with the basic poses. You know, how should you be breathing? What's the difference between vinyasa yoga or hatha yoga? It just laid everything out very, very simply, concisely. There wasn't any extra waffle. There wasn't any diversions. This is yoga in its purest form. They also have yoga intro sessions. There is a little 3-day course that you can do, and it introduces you to different yoga practices. Again, a really good way of getting into yoga if you're completely new to it, like moi. So while it was great for teaching me the basics, what I slightly missed, which you do get if you're doing a class off YouTube or something like that, was the more human element. So yoga teachers often weave in a little bit of spiritual practice, or they speak about mindfulness, that kind of thing. You don't get that with this though. That's all gone. But if you were into yoga, I could imagine that you'd maybe use this app alongside those classes. So it's really perfect if you wanted, as I said earlier, to do it for a shorter amount of time, or if you just wanted to focus on a particular area because maybe you wanted to improve something, or you had a sore back or something like that. I also used it as a meditation app, as they have some really nice yoga nidra. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I'm not a yogi. Nidra sessions, which basically just involve you lying on the floor doing breathing exercises. The other thing to note, which I think is a wonderful thing that Down Dog have done, is that they have made the app free for everyone until July the 2nd. So normally you'd have to pay around £10 a month, which I feel is quite steep. But if it's free, well, you can just give it a go and see how you get on with it. Because of this, I'm going to give it 2 separate scores. So if I had to pay for Down Dog, I would give it a 6 out of 10, because I think there's a wealth of free yoga material online, and £10 a month, that is really steep. But as it's currently completely free, I'm going to give it a healthy 8 out of 10 because I found it incredibly informative, relaxing, and perfect for a novice like me.